Chapter 1: Demystifying the Stock Market. Understanding the basics of stocks and shares. Stocks and shares are two terms that are often used interchangeably, but they actually refer to two different things. A stock is a type of security that represents ownership in a company. A share is a unit of ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you are essentially buying a small piece of the company. Stocks are issued by companies to raise capital. When a company issues stock, it is selling a portion of its ownership to investors. In return, investors receive a share of the company's profits and assets. There are two main types of stocks: common stock and preferred stock. Common stock is the most common type of stock and gives investors the right to vote on company matters. Preferred stock gives investors a higher priority for dividends and assets in the event of a liquidation, but it does not usually come with voting rights. Shares are units of ownership in a company. Each share represents a small portion of the company's total ownership. When you buy a share of stock, you are buying a small piece of the company. The number of shares that a company has outstanding is determined by the company's charter. The charter is a legal document that sets out the rules for the company's operation. Investing in stocks and shares can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. However, it is important to remember that investing in stocks and shares is also risky. The value of stocks and shares can fluctuate wildly, and you could lose money if you invest in a company that does not perform well. If you are considering investing in stocks and shares, it is important to do your research and understand the risks involved. You should also consider working with a financial advisor who can help you make informed investment decisions. Benefits of investing in stocks and shares. There are a number of benefits to investing in stocks and shares. These benefits include potential for high returns. Stocks and shares have the potential to generate high returns over time. However, it is important to remember that investing in stocks and shares is also risky. Diversification. Investing in stocks and shares can help you diversify your investment portfolio. This means that you are not putting all of your eggs in one basket. Tax benefits. In some countries, there are tax benefits to investing in stocks and shares. For example, in the United States, you can deduct capital losses from your taxes. Risks of investing in stocks and shares. There are also a number of risks associated with investing in stocks and shares. These risks include loss of principal. You could lose money if you invest in a company that does not perform well. Volatility. The value of stocks and shares can fluctuate wildly.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?